We are still following the Ukrainian incursion in the Russian Kursk region. Russian aviation-related channel Helicopter Pilot reports that there are losses in the Kursk region. This could hint towards a lost Russian combat helicopter. Waiting for confirmation. Claimed as an abandoned Ukrainian armored vehicle near Tolstoy Lug in the Kursk region. This is 7 kilometers deep inside Russian territory. And from this video, we can see that intense fighting is taking place in the Russian region of Kursk after soldiers and tanks crossed into the region from Ukraine, Freedom of Russia Legion, and launched attacks against the Russian army. Russian jets can be seen flying low over the region.
Тут пизда, нахуй, самолеты над головой, прикинь, летают, нахуй, истребители. Это, блядь, догорает, вон тачка, нахуй, даже хуй пожарка едет, понял? Тут пизда полная, лянь, ёб твою мать. Ебать, нахуй, я в ахуе.
Here we go again. After failed large-scale assaults, the Russians, emboldened, launched another attack on the positions of the 79th Air Assault Brigade. At dawn, a column consisting of 1 tank and 5 armored vehicles advanced, but encountered strong resistance from the 79th Brigade and the 471st Separate Infantry Battalion. 4 armored vehicles were destroyed and 1 damaged, with the tank crew escaping. Later that day, a second attempt with 1 tank and 2 armored vehicles also failed when the tank was hit, causing the remaining vehicles to retreat. The assaults resulted in 32 Russian casualties and 26 wounded. Units from the 14th Mechanized Brigade destroyed an enemy ammunition depot in the Kupiansk direction. An explosion occurred at the Transneft oil refinery in Usinsk, Komi Republic, and a fire is now raging. More photos of the aftermath of the attack on the Russian military airfield Morozovsk in the Rostov region. Remains of destroyed air bombs and missiles. Ukraine is effectively destroying military facilities in Russia, while Russia is killing civilians in Ukraine. Another great story from our friend Dmitry from War Translated. Russian military reporters are complaining that the command wants to take away civilian cars from them. Apparently, movement near the contact line is possible only on civilian transport, and not on military vehicles, which get destroyed. However, they also constantly complain that the Ukrainian armed forces are attacking civilian vehicles with FPV drones. I wonder why. Kherson region, Russia. There are reports that from tomorrow the Commandant's office and the VP will engage in stealing and sabotage, and will begin to confiscate volunteer vehicles and vehicles purchased with the soldiers' own funds. For those who are far from the topic, within the reach of FPV, mortars, and artillery, both sides move exclusively in civilian vehicles. And even this is not a panacea. Is there a connection between this decision and the fact that the commandant is a native of the Lviv region of Ukraine? In theory, a task for checking VKR DVKR. By the way, the author of the channel knows how one retard sent 2 military policemen to Krinky with the task of searching for accomplices. When the enemy was still there, both policemen are dead. Policemen are...
Here's an Ural. It was destroyed 2 days ago in the middle of the road. It was carrying food for the lads. It still hasn't been moved. We came to the first more or less safe place. Allegedly, anti-drone nets are above. Just to calm things down.
Medics in Kharkiv region need 5 4-wheel drive evacuation vehicles to save the lives of fallen soldiers. Car for Ukraine is buying first 2 of these evacuation vehicles now. Kharkiv medics need 3 more. The link for the donations is in the description, and we are revealing that this unit is involved in the attack on Russian region of Kursk right now.
Hello guys, we are medics of 3rd Separate Brigade, operating a very hot spot in Kharkiv region, where Russians form a new front. We have the right skills, equipment, and even a dog to cheer everyone up. But what we lack is wheels to operate fully effectively. We've joined efforts with Car for Ukraine to raise money for 5 pickup trucks that will be purchased and delivered to us for further medical setup. Car for Ukraine has been actively helping warriors all over the front line, delivering a total of 430 vehicles. Help us keep our Ukrainians alive. Donate at carforukraine.com. Together to our shared victory.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.